Meaning of decile.
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 Decile. A decile is a statistical term used to divide a set of data into 10 equal parts. Each part represents 10% of the data, with the first decile representing the bottom 10%, the second decile representing the next 10%, and so on. Deciles are often used in social and economic research to analyze income or wealth distribution among individuals or households. For example, a household in the top decile would have more income or wealth than 90% of all households, while a household in the bottom decile would have less income or wealth than 90% of all households.